The Metabolism Miracle Diet is a unique approach to weight loss that focuses on balancing your metabolism to achieve long-term success. Developed by nutritionist Diane Kress, this diet plan aims to regulate your body's insulin levels, which can have a significant impact on weight loss and overall health. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps regulate blood sugar levels. When you eat carbohydrates, especially those that are highly processed or refined, your body releases insulin to break them down into glucose for energy. However, some people have a condition called metabolism B, where their bodies have difficulty handling carbohydrates and insulin is not properly released. This can lead to weight gain and other health issues. The Metabolism Miracle Diet focuses on 3 main steps to address this problem. First, it limits your carbohydrate intake to no more than 30 grams per meal and snack. By reducing the amount of carbohydrates you consume, the plan helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels and prevent the release of excess insulin. Second, the diet encourages you to eat balanced meals that include protein, healthy fats, and non-starchy vegetables. This combination helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Finally, the Metabolism Miracle Diet recommends incorporating regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise not only helps with weight loss but also improves insulin sensitivity and overall metabolic function. By following the principles of the Metabolism Miracle Diet, many people have experienced significant weight loss, increased energy levels, and improved overall health. This plan is designed to be a long-term lifestyle change rather than a quick fix, helping individuals to achieve sustainable and lasting results. Overall, the Metabolism Miracle Diet offers a unique and effective approach to weight loss by focusing on balancing insulin levels and normalizing metabolism. By making simple dietary and lifestyle adjustments, individuals can achieve their weight loss goals and improve their overall health and well-being.